Designing the future: how whiteboard paint elevates office interiors for companies like SpaceX. In today's tech hubs like SpaceX and Tesla, whiteboard painted walls empower teams by offering a clear, dynamic view of ongoing projects and ideas. Whiteboard paint transforms walls into highly functional design elements, interactive surfaces for writing and drawing, blending form with function. These walls create a sleek, ultra-modern look, fitting perfectly into cutting-edge design trends. Whiteboard paint seamlessly integrates into open concept layouts, fostering collaboration and eliminating bulky whiteboards. It encourages creativity, allowing teams to engage with their workspaces in real time, driving innovation and collaboration. Whiteboard paint also adds customizable elements to tech-driven workspaces, adapting to the needs of highly creative teams. It facilitates seamless communication, inspiring team members to share ideas more freely and work collaboratively. Plus, whiteboard paint supports sustainability by reducing waste, making it a smart choice for eco-conscious companies. Design the future of your office with whiteboard paint and inspire creativity, productivity, and innovation. Design the future with remarkable whiteboard paint. Call us at 800-936-2159 and speak with a friendly coding specialist. Or visit us at www.remarkablecoding.com.